Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply an e-visa to travel to Ivory Coast. Before I proceed further, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys. So let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Ivory Coast e-visa website. Here on the main page, they have given the step how you gonna proceed. Okay, fee 73 euros and 3 months multiple entry you get. So you're gonna click here. Okay, you're gonna select your visa type here. Go to next step. I'm gonna put sample information, but you do as per your own case, and any information that you enter, you have to check it at least 2 times, not just once, 2 times. Entry. Make sure all this match with your passport. Next step. Additional purpose information. Your address. Of course, you know your address. Do it properly. Don't do it the way I'm doing. Enough residence. Email. Don't do like this. Provide proper email because that's where you're gonna get the notification. Or you have to verify the email, phone number, and all. Okay, so I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So basically, what it does, it sends a verification code to your email that you need to put. Then you need to put your contact number and all. Now, passport information, do it as per your own case and do it correctly. Yeah, sample size. Pickup location. Reason for travel, I select holiday. Arrival, I'll say date of return. That's okay. Do you agree not to accept job during stay? Yes. Terms, condition. Okay, so now it's asking to upload a passport, ticket reservation, hotel reservation. Okay, next will be your contact information. Okay, and then it can be submitted. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.